inside the Dufour 512. This design has been around now for 4 years, and it's been extremely popular in North America. Main reason being is not only is the boat very wide, but the way that we use the space is different than what you might see on some other boats in this category. The main design component, of course, is we've taken the galley, which traditionally might be somewhere near the companionway, and we've moved it all the way to the front of the main cabin area. You can see we've split it in two. You have a stove and a sink on the port side, and then on the other side you've got your drawer refrigeration here, and on the upper level you've got cabinets all the way around. So you've got more storage capacity using this, as well as a nice workable galley with a big sink and a nice stove. So it's a nice place to cook. You keep the cooking activity kind of involved in the social activity, but not in the way. So with the galley up forward, you've now got a huge area, the beamiest part of the boat, that's wide open for having parties, having people on board, just enjoying the company and social activities. But we've enhanced that as well by doing a couple different things. The main one being here with this table. Of course, you're having a big meal and you've got 6 or 7 people seated around the table. You can just hold this out like this, and then this bench seat will slide out so that you can accommodate a larger group for a meal, or if you're just having a larger group and it's just kind of a cocktail activity, you can fold it up and preserve the access all the way around. Over here on the starboard side, you've got a traditional forward-facing nav station and a nice long sofa here, but if you're out at sea, the boat's heeled over for a long period of time, you've got this handy little capacity for this to adjust to the heeling of the boat. So that makes it more comfortable if you're on a tack for a long period of time, and the seat does the same thing. In addition to that, if you come in from your long passage and you've got some people on board the boat, you can slide this table, after you remove the cushions, slide the table aft, just like this, and then you slide the seat forward. The cushion goes back on here, and you've extended your seating area, and you still have the table here available for whatever you might need. Another nice thing about the boat that people talk about all the time is how much light comes into it. Not only do you have the port lights here at on the hull at the eye level, you've got some deck ports, and then up above you've got huge deck windows that illuminate all the galley and the inside of the boat. So the openness, the functionality of the space, the brightness, people really appreciate that, and it's been a fantastically successful boat, not just here in North America, but in the rest of the world as well.